All right, so I have my Autoslide connected here. I haven't quite pinned up all the wires yet. I'm waiting on a conduit piece to come in the mail, but there's my Autoslide. It's all hooked up. I've got my sensor buttons over there, including the RFID sensor and the person sensor. But here I have a bond system. It's used for fans, it's used for blinds. It basically takes any remote and replicates it to where you can use it with a smart system. So I will show you. Hey Google, open the back door. I took the interior clicker there, I got my bond next to it, and I learned a remote, and I learned it as a generic toggle. And so it allows the Autoslide to work from anywhere because that bond is always plugged in here in the living room to use the fans. So for example, hey Google, turn on the living room fans. So the same device that uses those can also control the Autoslide. So I figured I would share.